This is a tutorial on blanket stitch applique. First of all, you need to cut a piece of 6-stranded embroidery thread that is about 60 centimeters long, but to measure that you can just measure from your elbow to your thumb and back to your elbow again, and that should be long enough. Make it too long and it will get knotted really easily. Make it too short and it just doesn't last long enough. So this is 6-stranded. I would like you to split it in half, so 2 lots of 3 strands, and pull that in half so that you've got 2 separate pieces. Now be careful that it doesn't all get tangled and knotted, so do it nice and slowly, and maybe get someone to help you by pulling on the long piece to stop it all getting twisted together. And then you should end up with a spare piece that you can wrap around your fingers and pop in your plastic bag ready for later. So we're just going to keep this one for later on when we run out. And then with your other piece you can thread your needle, and you need an embroidery needle that looks like this one here. So not too thick, and it needs to have a sharp point on the end. So I'll thread my needle up. There are some needle threaders, some green needle threaders in the haberdashery box if you need to use them, but it's good if you can get used to threading your own needle. So just be patient, and sometimes it helps if you cut the end off your thread so that you don't have any fluffy bits. Once you've got your needle threaded, you need to put a little knot in the end, in one end, in the long end of your thread, and then we're ready to get started. So I've got a little knot in the end there. Make sure that you've always got a tail, so make sure that you've got this dangly bit hanging down and that you don't end up sewing with it doubled up like that. So you should be constantly pulling that away so that you end up just with the 3 threads and not the 6. So to start with, I'll pull that down there so that it's not too long. I'm going to start on a nice easy bit. So I'm going to start about here, and I'm going to start by coming up from the back of my fabric. On your bag, you must make sure you don't stitch through the lining. You only want to stitch through that outer bag fabric. And we're going to come up on the very, very edge. I'll just move the camera down a little bit closer for you. We're going to come up right on the edge of our applique piece. And we'll pull that all the way through so that our knot is on the back of the fabric like that. And we're going to start with a stitch that is about 5 millimeters. So if you make it bigger than that, it looks a little bit juvenile. It's not very professional looking stitching. If we make it smaller than that, it's going to take you a long, long time.